In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close QuickBooks account 2026. If you've decided it's time to stop your QuickBooks online subscription, I'll guide you through the exact path in the product and explain what happens next so you can move forward with confidence. Start by opening QuickBooks in a web browser and signing in as the primary admin for the company you want to close. Only the primary admin has permission to cancel the subscription. If your login is linked to multiple companies, make sure you've selected the correct one using the company switcher at the top of the screen before you proceed. Once you're in the right company, look to the upper right corner for the gear icon. Click it, then choose Account and Settings. This area houses your subscription details, payment method, and plan information. Inside Account and Settings, select the Billing and Subscription tab on the left. Give it a moment to load your current plan, next charge date, and any add-ons. This is the hub for managing your plan changes. In the section that lists your QuickBooks plan, click Cancel Subscription. QuickBooks may show a summary of what will change, including access and billing. In many cases, your billing stops and you retain access until the end of your current billing period, but always read the on-screen notice so you know exactly what applies to your account and any connected add-ons. Follow the prompts to confirm your choice. You might be asked why you're cancelling and offered alternatives like pausing service. If you're sure, continue through the screens, review the final confirmation, and submit. When it finishes, you should see an on-screen confirmation that your cancellation is complete. If you don't see a cancel option or it's unavailable, reach out to QuickBooks support for help. After cancellation, QuickBooks will keep your data in a read-only state. You'll still be able to sign in, view transactions, and run reports, but you won't be able to add new entries or make edits. The length of read-only access can vary by policy, so check QuickBooks' documentation if timing matters for your records. As a best practice, consider downloading key reports and any needed exports for your files or your accountant. You'll also receive a confirmation email. Save it for your records. It's your proof of cancellation and shows when billing ends. If it doesn't arrive within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder. And that's all there is to it. Sign in as the primary admin, go to the gear icon, open Account and Settings, select Billing and Subscription, click Cancel Subscription, confirm the prompts, note that your data becomes read-only, and keep the confirmation email for your records.